Hello angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles, and today I am going to unbox Glamego Box. As you already know that I have already done the January Glamego Box unboxing. And this is the February month's Glamego Box, and this is the box. Here is all the letter pattern which is there all over the box. And it have a thing which I will say you just now, that is it. Here you will see all the last name of your loved one, last name or the middle name. You can see it over here, just like Sony or Gokhale, or you can also see Tendulkar, right? You can see Tendulkar, Gavaskar. So yes, all the last name is given here. Mangeshkar. See how many I have found out. So yes, you can just tag it. You can just circle your loved one's middle name or last name. Or if you do not find your loved one's name over here, then you can just write it over the card and you can just tag it. Tag Glamego to win rupees 10,000 Choco Stop voucher. So yes, isn't that a cool thing? So the next card says, okay, so there was, let me say you what happened is that I got a choice that if I have oily skin or a dry skin. So since I had oily skin, I opted for this Choco Caffeine Glow Pack with Argan Oil. This is for the oily skin. If you have dry skin, then you can choose this Choco Caffeine Glow Pack with Seaweed. So yes, they will give you options for that. So yeah, that is from Mcaffeine. Okay, so I'll mention the description of the Glamego, that is the website of Glamego, and everything in the description box below. Do check out. Now let me say you briefly what Glamego Box is all about. It is a beauty subscription box, and let me show you how to choose the subscription plan. For 1 month it will cost you rupees 3.99 per box. 4 beauty products will be there and shipping will be included. That is rupees 3.99 only per box. That is for 1 month it is 3.99. For 3 months it will cost you rupees 329 per box. 4 beauty products will be there, and that is only rupees 987. That is for 3 months you will receive 3 box. Per box it will cost you around 329, and that means total you have to pay 987 for 3 months. That means you will get 3 box. For 6 months you will get 6 box. It will cost you rupees 299 per box. That means you are saving a lot. You will get 4 beauty products and shipping will be included in that. That means you have to pay rupees 1,794 only for getting 6 box. Per box it will cost you rupees 299. For 12 months you will receive 12 boxes and it will cost you around rupees 289. That means you have to totally pay rupees 3,468 only for 12 boxes. Isn't that a great thing? And on subscribing you will first receive February box, which contains up to rupees 2,300 worth products. Makeup and face pack selection mail will be sent immediately after placing the order for you to select products. And the box delivery will take 7 working days from the date of selection. So that's all about the Glamego box. Now let's start with the unboxing of the box. At the back of this card is the theme, that is classy font, and all the product details are mentioned over here, which I received in this box. So yes, let's start with the very first product of the box. The very first product which I received in this box is this Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack. It worth rupees 359. As I already told you, I opted for this product because I have oily skin. So I opted for this Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack with Argan Oil. Okay, so let's see the product. Oh my god, this is just like a clay. And you won't believe the smell is just like a chocolate. Oh my gosh, it is so yummy. Feel like having it. But it's a warning, don't eat it at all. So this pack is from Mcaffeine. In my previous box also I received one product from Mcaffeine, which was the face wash, and it was just awesome. So I believe this product will also do wonder. So yes. Now what you have to do is you have to apply this face pack all over your face, skipping the area around your eyes, and you will feel a tightening sensation, which is very normal. When you will feel so, then you have to gently wash off the face mask with cold water, and then you have to use toner or moisturizer to close your pores. So the next product in the box is this Kronokare Pollution Stop face protective screen against pollution for face, and it is for all skin type, and it is free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. So yes, so you just have to spray it on your face to avoid any kind of pollution, which is a wonderful product. It seems I have never used it. It is a totally new thing for me. I would love to try out this product. This product costs rupees 495. So yes, so this is a 30 ml product. Okay, so you just have to spray this product directly on the over the face before your daily cream, or on the top of it also you can apply it. So yes, it's all written over here. Camera, please focus. So yes, you have to apply it on clean and dry face, and you just have to massage it, and you can repeat during the day if required. The third product inside the box is this Saffron Radiance face cream. I don't know why camera is not focusing at all. Yes, this is the Saffron Radiance face cream, and it is made in India. So, and it contains 25 ml product. This luxurious age-defying formula promotes natural fairness and youthful radiance by diminishing the age spots and keeping fine lines at bay. Okay, so as you can see, it contains saffron, aloe vera extract, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, almond oil, cream base, aroma and natural preservatives. And it costs you rupees 550. Okay, let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, it's a white cream, but the thing is that as I smell it, it doesn't smell anything. It's like, okay, let me apply it and see. Okay, it takes some time to just get absorbed. Okay, now let's smell it. Oh my gosh, the smell is not at all good. I don't know why creams, the people give creams and there is just no fragrance inside. I don't know, I wonder why people do that. I mean, why? People will apply cream and it will smell really bad. Will anyone apply it? I really wonder. I really have questions about these. So, okay, and this product is from the Nature's Co. It's a famous brand, as you know. You people already know Nature's Co is a famous brand. Only thing which disappoints me is the smell. It doesn't have any good smell. It doesn't have any good smell. It is really bad smell. Oh my gosh, I really didn't like the smell. Otherwise the packaging is really cute. Orange cap and a tinny bottle. Packaging is cute, but smell is not good. Last product inside the box is a makeup product which I got an option to choose, and I chose this Bella Voste Ultimate Chubby Stick, and this is the shade name is Violet Edition 05. Yes, so let's see. I got many options and I choose this chubby stick because I already have the lip gloss and the lip pencil of Bella Voste, so I didn't had any Bella Voste chubby stick, so I opted for a chubby stick, and this is how it looks. It looks really wonderful. It have a classy packaging, I must say you. Here is the shade name. As you can see, this is the Violet Edition 05, and here is my camera and me, as you can see it. So yes, now let's open it and see how it looks. Wow, it's pretty violet color. Not really violet, it's kind of a berry purple color. Now let's just swatch it for you guys. Amazing, amazing. The color is just amazing. Camera, please focus. So this is the swatch. It's an amazing color. So yep, I have many nudes and I have a liking towards nude, but this color is really awesome. Yep. And it have a twistable, retractable kind of a packaging wherein I don't have to sharpen it, which is a great thing. As you already know that chubby sticks are like that only, that we have to just twist it up and the products will come up. There are many things which are written on the packaging, which is that so it have a silky and creamy texture, which I really felt so while swatching it. It really have a silky and a creamy texture. Full coverage with a satin matte finish, and it is long lasting with high color payoff. Okay, it's a long lasting with high color payoff. Preservatives, oil and nano ingredients free. Okay, it is dermatologically tested. One stroke application, perfect adhesion, color does not bleed on lips. Okay, so here is a full ingredient list which is given. You can choose any other makeup product if you like. So this chubby stick costs you rupees 900. So yeah, that's all about it. These are all the products which I received. The Choco Caffeine, the Kronokare Pollution Stop. This is the cream, saffron cream, and here is the chubby stick. Okay, and here is the box. So that's all about it, guys. If you love this video, do hit the big like button and also subscribe to my channel Unboxing Smiles. Do stay tuned to my channel and I shall see you in my next video. I told you that I will not be available for a few weeks because of my marriage. So yes, after that I'll hope to catch you soon. So yes, stay connected. Love you all.